not being able to do the pace of his teammate, but
oh, there's a big crash back there, Greg. There's a big crash coming onto the front straightaway, and I didn't see who it was. It looks like it could have. Nah, it's not. Okay, thought it was Matthew for a minute, but it is not. I'm looking back to see who that is. I didn't mean to interrupt you, Greg. I just saw that in the background.
Hey, you caught it.
Now these guys come out of this left and they cut across the paint. You can see a couple guys doing that. Jake got out of shape even before he got to that paint, and then it looks like Ashton Yates right behind. Look at him go right between Jake Lewis and that motorcycle. Ashton Yates, if you follow him on Instagram, some of the stuff he does on a super motard bike is really impressive, and he used all of his skill there to avoid Jake Lewis sliding along the ground in front of him.